Sinking driveway, settling patio, collapsing stoop, uneven pool deck. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Thursday, the 2nd of June. I'm James Spann. We're expecting scattered showers and storms to form later today. Some of those could be pretty strong. And then a drier air mass drops in here tomorrow for the northern half of the state. And the tropics are active here early in the season. Let's talk about it. This is the upper air look. We still have ridging today, but there's a trough north of the state that'll beat down the ridge and should allow a surface front to be passing through here later today, tonight, and early tomorrow. That was the radar this morning about 5 o'clock. Had a few thunderstorms over Middle Tennessee, Alabama dry at that point. Temperatures upper 60s and low 70s in most spots. We're expecting highs upper 80s and low 90s again today, much like recent days. There's the watch warning map early this morning. We've got flash flood watches for parts of Oklahoma, a couple of counties in Texas, also parts of Washington State. There's the severe weather outlook for today. We have a marginal risk from Louisiana up into the middle Atlantic coast, a slight risk around Washington, D.C., Baltimore, and Richmond. In Alabama, we have a level 1 out of level 5 marginal risk north of a line from Grove Hill to Prattville to Roanoke. Areas in darker green. The main concern, hail, strong gusty winds. Not expecting tornadoes today. And then tomorrow, that risk shifts down into South Alabama, south of a line from Grove Hill to Greenville to Eufaula. Same thing, the chance of some hail and strong winds. Not raining everywhere. Some places won't get rain, but where the storms do form, they can be pretty strong. There's the larger view tomorrow. That marginal risk runs over to the coast of the Carolinas, also a risk on the lee of the Rockies, and a marginal risk around the Florida Keys with our tropical feature. And then on day 3, which is Saturday, a marginal risk over the Plain States and again over the Florida Keys. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Heaviest rain north and south of here. The really big numbers over South Florida with our tropical feature, south of Lake Okeechobee. For Alabama, the amount's generally 1/2 inch or less between now and Thursday morning of next week. And the tropics. The system that's northeast of the Bahamas not expected to develop, but we do expect a tropical depression to form in the Yucatan Channel, an 80% chance of that in the next 2 days. And that will be cutting across the southern tip of Florida. Probably nothing more than a rainmaker. There's harsh upper winds over the feature. Might not even gain tropical storm strength. But it will bring a lot of rain one way or another. This is the latest WPC look, and you can see amounts between 6 and 10 inches for places like Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Key West, Fort Myers. Very wet tomorrow into part of the day Saturday. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 4. Troughing to the north, surface front approaching from the north. Scattered showers and storms forming this afternoon. When they do form, they'll be fairly strong. This is the high-res NAM this evening at 6 o'clock. And you can see not raining everywhere, but heavier storms could produce some hail and strong winds. This is tomorrow. The surface front will be south of US 80, so scattered storms for South Alabama tomorrow. The northern half of the state in a drier air mass. Highs dropping in the low and mid-80s with lower humidity. It'll be a very pleasant day for early June. This is Saturday, a sunny day. We start the day in the 50s in many spots. The high mid to upper 80s. Our tropical system on the GFS a little east of Fort Lauderdale, but the European has it approaching Fort Myers. So it's a bit slower, but one way or the other, rain is the main issue. Heavy rain for South Florida. All of this far south of the central Gulf Coast. This is Sunday. Moisture begins to come back. We'll mention isolated showers, but many places will be dry. High should be in the upper 80s, partly sunny. Same thing Monday, maybe a couple of showers over parts of North Alabama. This is Tuesday, looks pretty quiet, highs close to 90. Same thing Wednesday. And a week from today, Thursday, June the 9th, troughing to the north. And once again, that looks pretty quiet, maybe a few showers over the Tennessee Valley. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday, June 11th, a little trough to the west. And again, for most of Alabama, that looks pretty quiet if this verifies. But this is 10 days out. We all know this could change. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean about 2 inches between now and the 16th of June. 90 today, 82 tomorrow. 87 for Saturday, Sunday. Next week, upper 80s, maybe low 90s in a couple of days, but no sign of any excessive heat through mid-June. And the latest 8 to 14 day outlook. This is for June 9th through June 15th. North Alabama, temperatures a little below average. South Alabama, temperatures a little above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Call Alabama Professional Services. Standing water or high humidity? Call APS. Nasty odors or dangerous mold? Call APS. Critters, bugs, or other pests? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.